Your question is, who among the following persons was not a member of the cabinet mission? Your options are A. William Wood, B. Patrick Lawrence, C. Stafford Cripps, or D. A.B. Alexander. Right answer is A. William Wood. Your question is, the Indian federalism is based on the pattern of which country? Your options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Australia, or D. Germany. Right answer is B. Canada. Your question is, how many states and union territories were established by the 1956 State Restructuring Act? Your options are A. 14 states, 6 union territories, B. 18 states, 9 union territories, C. 22 states, 8 union territories, and 21 states, 7 union territories. Right answer is A. 14 states and 6 union territories. Your question is, which of the following is true in relation to the preamble of Constitution of India? Your options are A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. B. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1977. C. The above mentioned words were inserted by amendment in 1985. Or D. These two words are not part of the preamble. Right answer is A. The words socialist and secular were not the part of the preamble on the enforcement of Constitution in 1950. Your question is, the consent of blank required for alternating its boundaries according to the constitutional provision. Your options are A. The state legislature's under house is, B. The chief minister is, C. The state is, or D. The state is not. Right answer is D. The state is not. Your question is, the main advantage of the parliamentary form of government is that. Your options are A. The executive and legislature work independently, B. It provides continuity of policy and is more efficient, C. The executive remains responsible to the legislature, or D. The head of the government cannot be changed without election. Right answer is C. The executive remains responsible to the legislature. Your question is, which of the following is given the power to enforce the fundamental rights by the Constitution? Your options are A. All courts in India, B. The Parliament, C. The President, or D. The Supreme Court and High Courts. Right answer is D. The Supreme Court and High Courts. Your question is, the Chief Minister of a state in India is not eligible to vote in the presidential election if. Your options are A. He is a candidate, B. He is yet to prove his majority on the floor of the lower house of the state legislature, C. He is a member of the upper house of the state legislature, or D. He is a member of the lower house of the state legislature. Right answer is C. He is a member of the upper house of the state legislature. Your question is, which one of the following is not correct with regard to the elections to the Lok Sabha? Your options are A. The elections are on the basis of adult suffrage, B. The election commission is required to conduct the elections, C. The electoral rolls are prepared under the direction and control of the President of India, D. On the request of the Election Commission, the President is required to make available to the Election Commission such staff as may be necessary for the discharge of its functions. Right answer is C. The electoral rolls are prepared under the direction and control of the President of India. Your question is, who can attend either house of the parliament without being a member? Your options are A. Chief Justice of India, B. Attorney General of India, C. Chief Election Commissioner, or D. Chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Right answer is B. Attorney General of India.